Welcome to the channel. We got a special NFT project to talk about today, Small Bros NFT, and they want to remind people that they are never alone in this journey. But before I start, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. smallbrosnft.io. That is the website. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below on my channel, The Educational Network. We're going to look at their traits, the roadmap, the team, and obviously the FAQs of this brilliant NFT that has come out, Small Bros. Now, the first look that you get of this NFT is something of interest, that they are very artistic and they're bringing something new to the table. Now, what is Small Bros, you might ask? 8,888 small bros that are here to remind you that you are never alone in this journey. Small Bros believe in creating a unique environment and community while combining the physical and digital worlds in a way that will enable all small bros to connect with each other, creating strong friendships and fostering individual growth. They want to remind people that they are never alone in this journey. You can check their hats, their eyes, the accessories, the mouth, the body, and the shirt, and each one of them is unique. So you can get your hands on one of the amazing NFTs that have come out from the 8,888. The roadmap is a very interesting roadmap where the first custom VR and PC hub, the foundation of the Small Bro community, a custom VR hub is available to all Small Bros holders, from conferences, events, hangouts, games, giveaways, etc., for the bros to meet and have fun. With the phase 1 hub, which is accessible with or without VR, hosted on the alternative space VR server available on a VR set PC or a MacBook. From the bros merchandise, from creating a high-end boutique exclusively for the bro holders, and from the bros charity, a team will donate 20 Ethereums to a chosen community with the goal to support mental health. And the team members will be flying out to the location to interact and support the community, and the journey will be documented and shared on social media. And that is one of the most unique methodologies that have been applied by a couple of different NFTs, and Small Bro is one of those NFTs that have taken social responsibility to a next level. They have understood the element that is necessary for creating an environment in the metaverse that is inclusive of everyone, and having such a strategy in place enables everyone to be a part of it. And having this strategy actually helps not only Small Bros, but every single individual that gets involved in such a charitable organization, such a charitable NFT, and becomes part of Small Bros NFT. Then you have the Bros giveaway, sharing the Small Bro experience to as many bros as possible. And this is their ultimate goal. And therefore, they are giving away 500 Oculus Quest 2 VR headsets amongst the Small Bro holders, a must-have asset for the phase 2, which is in the making. Now, obviously, the first impression that you get of this amazing NFT is the fact that this is a fun NFT. This is a cartoonic NFT. This is an NFT that will evolve over the years and become a comic book, become an animation, come into the industry, be a digital asset. And obviously the team behind creating this absolutely brilliant NFT is none other than individuals who have experience in the NFT space, who have experience in the crypto space, that have been doing this for many, many years. And they know exactly how they need to develop a strategy, implement that strategy, and execute strategy in such a manner that they can actually scale the NFT and bring it to hundreds and thousands of people that are interested in this idea. From the co-founder and the visionary and public relations, Raphael, who is available on Twitter, you can check his Twitter out. From the co-founder and leading marketing and project strategist, from the designer and front-end developers, from the Solidity and back-end developer, from the talent artist and the head moderator, and these are individuals that have been working in the NFTs. You can check their Twitter out. They are the real deal. There are a team that are dedicated in bringing something unique to the NFT space, something which is socially responsible and takes into the bigger picture of what needs to be done in the metaverse. And obviously there's a lot of FAQs which are asked, and I'm going to go through them so you actually understand what this NFT is all about. What is the utility of owning a Small Bro NFT? Owning a Small Bro NFT gives you exclusive access to the greatest benefits developed for the bros, whether you're for the bro world or the exclusive merchandise, in addition to all incredible aspects of Phase 2.0. Which is their contract optimized to be gas efficient? Yes, they're using the ERC721A. Their contract is optimized to enable low gas fee experience, as well as being audited by a third party to ensure scrutiny and safety. Having in mind their long-term vision with the project, they want to make sure their first launch is flawless. And the bro list mint took place on the 21st of March, and the public raffle mint took place on the 22nd of March, and the bro list allowed 2 maximum bro lists at the price of 0.069 Ethereum and a public of 1 max NFT with a price 0.079 Ethereum. So you can just see from the start go, these guys have got it right. They understand what they need to do and how they need to do it. The second thing I want to show you guys is their Instagram. Their Instagram is unique. You can go and click this link above over here in the corner and it'll take you to their Instagram. Their Instagram has 6,922 followers. And obviously I want to show you their art. I want to show you their NFT. Their NFT has a lot of potential. Their NFT is created in such a manner that actually brings a lot of fun, brings creativity, and shows you that these individuals mean business. So obviously if you missed many of the NFTs in the past, this is a particular NFT you should not miss because it has got the potential to take it to the next level. And obviously they're in collaboration with a lot of different NFTs such as the Invisible Friends and others. So you can check them out. There's new collaborations that are coming out with majority of their NFTs that will actually help them in taking it to the next level. The second thing I want to show you is their Twitter. Their Twitter is absolutely brilliant. They have 139,200 followers. And if you want to check out a successful NFT, you got to check out how much engagement there is on their feed, how much engagement there is on their post. And this particular NFT has got a lot of engagement. They're engaging with their NFT holders. They're engaging with their potential NFT holders because they want to show and explain and be transparent with the information that they have and share that information with everyone around them. So guys, if you're thinking about investing in a NFT that is socially responsible, Small Bros NFT is the NFT you should go for. I'm going to put the link of smallbrosnft.io in the description below of my channel, The Educational Network. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon so you do not miss any of my videos. You can always comment in the section below on Facebook or on Instagram, or drop me a message on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available on the About section of my channel, The Educational Network. Until my next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.